Guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today I am back with another Nadine West unboxing. For those of you that don't know, Nadine West costs $10 and they send you I would say 9 to 15 items. You try it on and send back what you don't want in the same exact bag. You just put a sticker over the sticker on the front and put it in your mailbox. I really love Nadine West. The quality of the clothes is great and the prices are actually really affordable as opposed to most other subscription boxes. While we're here, before we get started in this video, I do want to say I know I look a lot more glam today than usual. I was playing with my ColourPop Disney Masquerades palette. I did a PR unboxing of that. If you've missed that video, I'll link it down below. But I was playing with the palette and I wanted to play with the glitter, so I'm a little sparkly today, but I like it. I think it looks cute. Also, if you can see, I am wearing that sweater that I said I was not going to keep from Transcend. So, you know, I really wanted it, right? So I was leaving it out of the package so that I could think about it, because I was like, it's so cute, I want it, but it's so much money. So I was leaving it out of the package so that I could think about it. And then it was the last day. I had to ship the package back that day. And I woke up and the mail lady was in the driveway. So I just taped it up how it was and ran it out the door, and I was like, wait, I gotta ship this back. I'm sorry. So I gave her the package and the sweater was still out because I had still been thinking about it. So here we are. I have the sweater. It's so cute. But yes, so that was two things that I wanted to address, and now we can get into the Nadine West. I'm not going to go over my style preferences this video because it makes the video a lot longer, but I will have some previous Nadine West videos linked down below where I do go over my style preferences. Also, if after watching this video you decide you would like to try Nadine West, I have a link down below where you can get free shipping and $10 off your order. I know $10 does not sound like a lot, but with these prices, it's actually a pretty good deal. So, without further ado, let's unbox. Maybe. That looks dangerous. Okay, so we have one package. Ooh, this one looks super cute. Oh my gosh. Two package. Look at that. There's checkered platy type print. This print. Floral. Wasn't in frame. This is gonna be cute. This one. Black and pink. And then we have my return label and prices. Okay, so this one's kind of black. This one's kind of black. This one's kind of black. I think I want to do this one last because it's the one I think I'm most excited for. So I am gonna start with this one because just from the sneak peek, it's the one I'm least excited for. Okay. In this first package, we have a pair of leggings and 3 shirts, so I'm just going to try all 3 shirts on with the leggings. First, we have this top. This is the Alicia top for $24.49. I will definitely be keeping this top for work. I think that tucked in to my pants, this is a really good work shirt. This isn't something that I would just wear out unless I got off work and was going somewhere. Then I'd just put on jeans instead of pants. Jeans or pants, but you know what I mean. But also, this is just a good work shirt. I always need more work shirts because I just ruin shirt after shirt after shirt after shirt after shirt. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I do. So for $24.49, I will definitely be keeping this shirt to wear to work. I also have on the Clementine Leggings for $32.99. I like these. I think that they kind of look like work pants. They look good with this shirt. If I didn't work at the grocery store, I feel like I could get away with wearing these to work, especially because they don't really fit me like leggings. Like, they're kind of loose. And they have like slack in them, and they also have creases at the knees. Whoops, I'm falling over here. But they're really comfortable. But they're too big for me. If I untuck this shirt, I have a pretty significant gap here, waist to band gap. I have that issue a lot. If you watch my videos regularly, you know that. But yes, overall I do like these leggings, but I'll be sending them back just because of the price, and they don't really fit me like leggings. If they fit me better, I would keep them. Next we have the Italia top for $11.99. While I find this shirt cute and the price great, I do not find off the shoulder shirts like realistic. I mean, come on. I hate that. I used to think they were so cute, but I can't stand constantly having to pull my shirt down, and I can't stand not being able to lift my arms up like higher than here. How do you drive? I don't know. So, even though this shirt is cute and it's a great price, I will be sending it back because it's just not practical for me. And last but not least, in this pouch, we have this Wyndi top for $24.49. This is going to sound weird, but this shirt is heavy. Like, this, how they have it sewn to this, none of the weight is on your shoulders. It's all on the front. And, I mean, it doesn't hurt, obviously. Like, it's not, like, heavy. But for a shirt, this is, like, heavy. Like, I feel like my shirt, like, it's not that heavy. I'm being dramatic, but I'm just saying. Although I do think this is cute with black leggings, the black top, and then the little white frill. Every time I have frill like this, it makes me just want to... This top is $24.49. Right now I'm already planning on keeping the other shirt that is $20. So I'm going to see what else I like in the other things. If I don't like anything else, I'll probably keep this. If I do like other stuff, I'll probably send this back because I think I could go to Walmart and kind of make this shirt for cheaper. Okay, on to the next pouch. Okay, so I found the first piece of jewelry, and we have the Delusive earring for $20.99. I like these a lot. They kind of remind me of Great Gatsby, and that kind of really makes me want to keep them. I think like just the little danglies is what reminds me of Great Gatsby, but I just don't know if I'd wear them. I have one occasion in mind when I could wear them, but I also feel like I'll end up buying a new pair of earrings by then. I don't think that I'm willing to pay $20.99 for these earrings, but I do find them very cute, and they do remind me of Great Gatsby. Next, we have a dress and then another pair of leggings. Okay guys, so this is the dress on backwards. Be right back. Okay guys, this is the Sari dress for $18.99. I am definitely keeping this dress. I feel like this is so cute. It's just like a t-shirt dress with jersey stripes, but I just feel like this looks so cute. Like exactly how I have it. I have on all pink makeup. My hair is a little bit wild. Like, perfect. It looks so cute. With some white sneakers. This dress is so cute, and I am definitely keeping it for $18.99. Look at how thick this waistband is, guys. Oh my gosh. These are so thick. What? This is amazing. Okay, let me get them on. Okay guys, so earlier those leggings I tried on that I told you were the Clementine Leggings, they're not. They were the Zasha skinny leggings for $27.19, and I'm still not keeping them because they didn't feel right. But these are the Clementine leggings for $32.99. I am keeping these. I want 10 more pairs of these. These things are so thick. They're so high-waisted, like my bra is right here. Look at this. And this whole thing is so thick. I feel like these are like maybe what maternity leggings are like how high up they go. But they're in my size. Oh my gosh. I mean, you cannot tell me this dress tied up as a shirt with these leggings. I'm in pink. Oh my gosh, like I'm a pink queen right now. I feel like I look like I should be in Dirty Dancing almost, like with my earrings and my hair and these leggings. Like, I feel fabulous. I'm keeping these leggings. I am keeping this dress. I'm pretty sure I'm going to wear these together like this. I feel like I look great. I thought this next pouch was going to be my favorite, but I think that the one that I have on right now probably is. Okay guys, so this last pouch has 3 shirts and 4 pants. I mean, I said that so wrong. 3 shirts and 1 pair of pants. First I'm going to try on the pants with this because I don't think it would look good with any of the shirts it came with. And then I'm going to put the leggings back on and try on the shirts. Okay guys, so these are the Isabella cuffed pant for $17.99. I actually think these would be good for work if I owned a solid colored work shirt. But I do not. Every single work shirt I have, I'm looking at it right now behind y'all, is patterned. Every single one of them. And I am just not a pattern mixing person. At that price, I think I will be keeping these pants and I will be trying to find like a solid white work shirt or light pink or just like a basic solid color work shirt to wear with these pants, because I think for that price these are a really good pair of pants for work and they're also comfortable. I actually think like they're elastic, so technically I can't wear them, but they have belt loops so I can put a belt and I don't think anybody would be able to tell that they feel like sweatpants. Let me know what you guys think about me wearing these pants to work in the comments down below, please. Now let's try on the shirts. This top is the Nicky top for $21.99. I do think this top is cute and I do think that's a good price. And I think it would look very cute with a pair of distressed black, maybe even distressed denim jeans. I don't have distressed black jeans, which seems crazy, but I do have distressed denim and I think this would be really cute. It's kind of like the perfect crop, I feel like. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been like really digging these like sporty type shirts lately. Don't make fun of me for saying digging. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, so I think that I'm going to be keeping this top. I've really been into these sporty tops. I like this band too. It's kind of elasticy. I just think this is cute and unique. Next we have the Sadie top for $15.99. This is so cute and girly and I feel like classy looking. I love this. This is adorable for $15.99. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely keeping this. It has these little buttons here. I just feel like this top is just so girly and pretty and feminine and classy and flowy, but it's not like I'm 12. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Okay guys, and last but not least we have the Lulu top for $15.99. I think I'm actually going to keep this top too. I'm going to wear this to work. I'm going to use this as a work shirt. That's a great price. It does have this, so if you wanted to wear it out you could be like cute and be going outy, or if you're me and you want to wear it to work, not that tight. I just tie it a little bit. And voila! So I think that I will be keeping this top too. Okay guys, that is it for this Nadine West. This is the most impressed I have been with a Nadine West in a while. They only sent me one piece of jewelry and I liked it. I feel like they're really listening to me and they're really trying to send me pieces that I like. I mean, I'm not sending very much back at all. And I guess they've kind of seen that I'm not really keeping jewelry, and they only sent me one piece of jewelry. Like, I feel like they're listening, they're getting me what I want. This might be dangerous for my wallet, but this was the most impressed I have been with a clothing subscription box in general in a while. Like, this was good. This was a really good box. Okay guys, that is it for this Nadine West unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. Also, if you would like to keep seeing me, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload, every Saturday morning at 9:30 and Tuesday afternoon at 3:30 p.m. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know your opinion on those pants that I want to wear to work and any other opinions that you want to let me know. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!